In this video, I'm going to show you how to take away headache with lymph nodes. So the lymph nodes you will locate just with the eyebrow here, and you use your palm like this, and you push in. I will show you, push in like this, and you pull up. You can actually hear the sound. There you go. And squeeze it. Then you will make better circulation to the head through the lymph nodes. The lymph gets drained and the circulation to your head gets better. So the lymph nodes are located all over the face. So the other one on this side, there we go. Use your palm again, go in like this, and you squeeze in. You can feel the node and you can hear the sound. There we go. Squeeze it like that. Try it and tell me if it worked for you. Comment below and follow us if you want to learn more.